Kumusta po? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today po, we're going to see the pathologist for Colton's blood test. And today, I can feel the autumn na jud. Okay, you can feel the chill wind. And it's actually a cloudy day, very cloudy day. We're heading now with our little family from ayan, see, it's very cloudy and it was raining too. See the little bit. Masyadong parang dito na kami. Malamig talaga siya sa labas, mesh. Malamig talaga siya. Get Colton. Hi!
Really?
Yeah.
Come, sit up.
Turn your face round.
Yes, darling, come on, let's win.
Come on, because it's very windy, sweetheart.
Don't you like to turn around your head?
Oh my god. It's so windy, Jude. There's a sound talaga. So, papunta na kami sa pathology. Yeah? Punta na kami. Lamig, Bosh? Malamig? Akong doa ka dodong. Tugod na siya. Anyway, see you inside. Ayan. Dito na kami sa loob. Colton. Dito na kami. Say hi, Baba. Bob. So, wait na lang sa muntong. Dahil sulod namin. Hello there.
Rochelle's going to take a little sample from you.
Yeah.
Oh, is it from him?
Yes, it is.
Oh, alrighty.
She's going to take a little sample from
Do
you.
you have your Medicare card?
Yes, we do.
Sweetheart, can you... Oh. Sorry, Bob. It's not working unless you...
We
It's
have
alright.
to do all the paperwork.
Sure.
It's okay.
We are going to check your muscles, alright? There's your muscles. Can you maybe take the jacket off?
Good boy, we'll need to take it off because Rochelle's going to try and take a sample, huh?
You got a certificate. Because he's been a good boy.
Dad,
Yes,
how
ma'am.
can we stick this on there?
Oh, we'll find something magnetic and put it on there.
Oh my god, it's a different experience kay woman after sa grabing syagit ni Colton. My god, so scary for him, but ihunong napudahin siya dali-dali kay quick and efficient kaayo tong mga nagkuha og dugo sa iya ba, mga nurse. So that's good, it's done na. So padulong ako sa sakyanan. Okay, nanghi pa ko. Wow! So, congratulations to Colton. He is a very brave boy. Well done, sweetheart. And he got a certificate as well. We already went to the pathology. Now we're heading to go to the good guys. Okay. Unfortunately, our washing machine was stopped earlier. So, mangita kami. Nya na daw sale ingon si Bros. But the sale is will last until tomorrow. My God, that's quick, huh? So we'll see you there. Bye bye.
Bye.
Si bye bye, be.
Bye-bye. Mom, I just waved to the reflectors.
Oh! Work over, didn't we?
You did too, sweetheart. good. Very good.
We'll have to go these marbles.
Oh yeah.
Oh dear.
He might be run over. Look, he's running away. Dad, next time you should beat the horn and steer the ducks away.
That might have been the answer. Quite right.
You should do that next time.
Go back, there might be ducks again.
So there's the good guys. We're painting the
Flag looks good.
Australian flag. And there's the good guys. Good guys.
Yeah, and see the jolly nice chaps.
Jolly knives, yeah.
Did you say that?
Hello, yes, dito na kami. We just parked. And pababa na kami. Agad. Talaga ang buhay. It's in the box, sweetheart. Would you like me to bring
Can we
it?
go to the playground in there? Are you two about in there?
Yes, sweetheart.
Mom, let's go out to space.
Ang lupad ng laway ni Mose. Ha?
I got my space jacket. It's very cool. And I got my space suit in here.
Okay. Now let's go.
Get a shot of us.
Pero ang cover, nice po siya.
Are you having a nice time? No, you stand there. I'll take your photo.
Hello! So, we're done in the Bunnings as well. Padulong mi sa KFC, charot. Or a little bit drive.
No.
Anyway, padong na migbalay. That's it for today.
Wait, Lou.
I hope magustuhan nyo ang aking video. And if you are new on my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. And as well as hit the bell button. And don't forget to leave a comment so I can get back to you once I'm free. Also, thumbs up kung nagustuhan nyo ang aming video. So this is our little family from yours. Just spread the love and multiply. It's nothing. I'm just kidding. Anyway, you all have a good day and see you in my next video.